Good morning. My name is Mrs. Preck, and I teach at the Carlsbad Annex at Aldeo Charter School. I'm here to show you how to do a MLA bibliography in a Google Drive format. So hopefully every one of you already has a Google Drive account and knows how to use Google Drive, including the documents and how to make a Word document. If you don't know how to do that, please talk to your teacher so that they can help you create an account and start using this wonderful tool. So if you're comfortable with using this, you might have written a few papers on here already. This is a Maya Angelou paper. It's a bibliography about her, and what I wanted to show you guys today is how to use the research function as you're writing your paper. Now this paper is already complete. It's not a very good paper, so please don't think this is a good one, but as you're researching or writing your paper, what you can do is you can use the research function tool. So if you go to tools right here, we're going to click on research, okay, and then we're going to type in Maya Angelou, if that's who we're researching, and maybe biography. Okay, I've got some pictures, I've got a little bit of information, I've got a quote, but what I'm really interested in is seeing the links that will show up after this. So if I click on maybe this one right here, I'm going to see a lot of information about Miss Maya Angelou, and I can use this information to help me write my paper. Now, please do not copy and paste. Do not copy, paste into my paper and call it your own. Okay, that's not how we want you to use your research paper, and this is not the point of this research tool. The point is that you can look at this and paraphrase and use this information to support your thesis or your points. Um, the great thing about the research tool is for you to is that you can go directly to a link that's going to be helpful for you. So let's say that we use this link and put this into our paper. What I would like you to do next is to create a works cited page. As you write your papers, you're going to need to make a running list of all of the resources that you've used online. If you don't account for these, then it's considered plagiarism. So what you're going to do is you're going to add an add-on. An add-on is like an app that lives inside of Google Drive, and it's going to help you write better papers that are going to be good for the college level and even, for high school level, because this is what we want you to start doing. So you're going to add this EasyBib bibliography add-on right here. If you can't find it, find it in the search box. Okay, we're going to add the plus button, accept. Okay. So if you want to learn more about it, you can read and watch this video, but I'm just going to give you a quick overview of how to use this. So let's go ahead and close this research tab. So I'm going to click on add-ons and then manage bibliography. I'm going to let it work a little bit, and what you'll see is the EasyBib tool. So what you're going to see is you can add a book, you can add a journal article, or you can add a website. We were just using a website, so we're going to go to this website right here, copy the link, and paste it inside. Confirm that this is the one that you were using. Press select. Okay, and then the citation has been created for you. Pretty cool. We're going to be using MLA for most of our English courses, so you're just going to use that and then click on Add Bibliography to Document. Once you click on that, go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom. Now it's been added to the bottom like this, okay? Now what you can see is that you've got your works cited page. It should be on its own on its own. The very last page, it should be on its own. And then the formatting has already been done for you. You've got your quotation marks, you've got your periods, you've got the link is in there. That's it. That's all you need to do the works cited page. Now, we do have to do an in-text citation. What does that mean? It's a clue to our readers that says, hey, this work or the stuff that I just said right here is not completely original. Please don't assume it's original. Let me show you where I got it from. So let's say that at the end of this paragraph, I did some paraphrasing and I wanted to let people know that I got this from that website that I just used. So I'm going to copy and paste the very first term on here, including the quotation marks. And I'm going to go to where I put that quote in. I'm going to begin with the parentheses. I'm going to paste that, and then I'm going to close my parentheses and then add my final period to finish the sentence. That's how I do it in text citation. Now, this in text citation that we just used does not have an author. So as a result, we're using the first term, which is the title of the page. If it had an author, you would put the author's name. So it would look more like, let's say I didn't use this and we had used a book, it would look more like, let's say we use a quote from Miss Angelou, then we could do that. And then maybe if there was a page number, we would put the page number in. We'll get into more detail on that. If you need more help with an in-text citation using a book, please ask your teacher. Most of you guys are using internet sources, so this quick little review is going to get you really far on your research papers. If you have any questions, again, ask your teacher. I hope this has been helpful for you. Let your teacher know if you have any questions. Bye.